And we're back again, guys. So now we're kind of unboxing all the new stuff so that I can start matching everything up, and we'll get everything taken care of for the air conditioning, because with everything out of with the dashboard not being in place, it just makes life so much easier to do this type of stuff. So we'll get this type of stuff done and out of our way, get everything bolted together the way it needs to be, put all the new gaskets and seals and everything in, clean everything up, make it look nice like it's supposed to, and we'll get this all taken care of. So, on that note, short, sweet, to the point. See you on the next one. Alrighty, so we're breaking down the box for AC. We're going to put a new heater core in it, and we have all the new rubbers for the blend doors so that they'll seal properly like they're supposed to. And if you look at this one, it's just disintegrating. I mean, it's so bad. I mean, you can see what's falling out. Just watch. Yeah. So we've got all new gaskets for here. We've got all new gaskets for here, for the blend door here, for both sides of the blend door here, to wrap around the sides for here. I'll clean these up a little bit, nothing too dramatic, because it's going to be hidden inside the dashboard, but still needs to be cleaned. But yeah, so we're going to finish tearing this one down to get everything glued to put the new pieces on for here, and we'll move on to the next one. We'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, so we've got a lot of the old stuff off, but the only way to really get this done properly is to disassemble it. Someone's hair. Not mine. Let's see, who was the blonde and the redhead? Huh. Okay, so I've got to pop this apart so that I can get the rust off this, so the new pieces will stick properly with the adhesive, which is over there sitting on my toolbox, the blue one. Blue bottle, blue bottle, blue bottle. There you go. So we'll get that. So time to disassemble this box, and we'll get our new gaskets on here. On that note, see you guys in the next one. All right, so we got all the old junk off. Cleaned everything up the best we can. So I'm gonna let this dry, and then we'll start getting our pieces that match. Spray one side down, let it sit for a little while, let that dry, flip it over, do the same thing, and then we'll go to our evaporator and do the core, and then start putting everything back together again for at least one portion, because I think the heater core is coming in today, or it's already here. I'm not sure which. I'll have to double check with Bobby and figure out which it is, and then I'll rebuild that box and then get these mounted into the car. But yeah, the only way to do this was to take it out and do it properly. So now I can scrub this up clean, be careful, and I'll get everything ready to mount this gasket. But we'll see you guys in the next one.